Are you looking for the best MIG welders under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best MIG welders under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hobart Handler 140. This is an impressive MIG welder that takes the top spot in this our review of MIG welders under $500. It might not look like a premium option, but it packs quite a punch when it comes to MIG welding. The manufacturer, Hobart, is renowned for the high quality of its products, and this welder is no exception. It comes in a compact size and is one of the most compact offerings from the manufacturer. If your project is mobile, one that requires you to move around as you work, you will likely love the compact and relatively lightweight nature of the welder. Very handy. It weighs just 57 pounds, hence it is a good choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who need a welder for light repairs around the home. During testing, I observed that the Hobart welder is a good choice for simple, light-duty tasks. It offers you 140 of power and can weld 24 gauges up to a quarter of mild steel. It is a versatile option and it runs between 25 and 140. For those just learning MIG welding, you will likely love using this welder as it is easy to operate and doesn't require any specialized training to handle. Number 2. Lincoln Electric K2185. Our next favorite option is this offering from Lincoln Electric, the Lincoln Electric K2185-1 Handy MIG Welder. For folks embarking on small welding projects or objects, then you might love this product as much as we did during our testing. It comes with the option to use wire or gas welding features. Additionally, we discovered that it can weld both Flex Cord and MIG. Thus, as long as it isn't a heavy-duty project, this product has likely got you covered. It's a portable option as well, coming at just 46 pounds of weight and with compact dimensions. Additionally, it comes with a handle on the top. All these physical features, when combined, make this MIG welder a portable welder that will be great for mobile, light-duty applications. It also means that it will not take up plenty of floor space. Aside from the features listed above, this MIG welder also comes with other interesting features. It comes with safety features that ensure that the machine and user are safe. For instance, there is an inbuilt fan to disperse heat and prevent overheating. There is also a cold contractor to ensure that the wire remains electrically cold. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 261. Forney, a popular name in the welding world, and this budget option is one of their most popular options on the market. It might be cheap, but don't be fooled. This little welder is such a good welder that I had no option than to add it to this list. For buyers on a tight budget and you want a welder that delivers decent all-round performance, then you'd be hard-pressed to find an option better than this. The Forney MIG Welder is a 120V welder on a 20A fused circuit. That is the standard. However, if you seek to push this little guy to the limit, then you will require embedding a 30A fused circuit. It comes with a nice duty cycle of 30% at 90A. What this translates to for you is that you can run it for 3 minutes non-stop while it is at the 90A setting. Hence, despite the low price and small size, it offers you a quite impressive performance. I was further impressed by the feature that allows you to set the welding output through a dial on the front. This grants you more flexibility than ever before. Number 4. Forney Easy Weld 271. The Forney Easy Weld 271 is one of the top-rated welders under $500. It lays decent quality MIG welds on thin sections of metal of up to a quarter thickness. We like it for several other reasons as well. For example, it is one of the most versatile options at this price range. It not only serves as a MIG welder, but it also can stick and TIG weld as well. However, during our testing, our excitement about the versatility was contained when we discovered that the TIG accessories do not accompany the welder but are sold separately. Nevertheless, it is nice to have such options. Additionally, it comes with leads, although these do not reach the perfect length we desire. However, the leads do their jobs quite well. setup and use are straightforward. Forney is recognized for the ease of using its products, and the Forney Easy Weld 271 is no exception. It comes with an easy-to-follow manual and can be set up in a jiffy. No wonder it is one of the best MIG welders less than $500.